Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view the balance you've made on Facebook. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, tap on the menu. Here, you can find Orders and Payments under the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on the Orders and Payments. And then under the Balances, you can find Facebook Stars. Tap on it. And that's it. If you have any balance, you can find it under this screen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.